Looks like let me see if it goes throughout. His name is spelled wrong on all this paperwork.
I'll fix it, Judge.
It says Armando Flora. I think it's Flota, Flota. Am I right?
It is, Judge. It's Flota. I mistyped it.
All right, it needs to be changed. It's on every document as Flora, FL. Oh, no, what? Well, it's kind of interspaced. Like the same page says Flora on top, and then during the body of it, it says Flota. So just go through and change it all to Flota.
Thank you.
All right, it's cause number 731621, State of Texas versus Armando Flota. Are you Armando Flota?
Yes, sir.
Good morning, sir. Could you raise your right hand for me? You swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Flota. You can lower your hand, sir. Mr. Flota, is it all right with you that we proceed by video conference?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You are charged, sir, with the offense of assault bodily injury. That is a Class A misdemeanor, punishable by up to a $4,000 fine and up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Flota, you have several legal rights at this point, sir. You have the right to remain silent. You also have a right to a jury trial and to confront the witnesses against you in this case, meaning you could ask the state to bring their witnesses into open court to testify against you, where your lawyer can cross-examine those witnesses in front of a jury. During that proceeding, Mr. Flota, your lawyer could call as many witnesses as he would like for you or on your behalf in front of that same jury. Mr. Flota, do you understand, sir, that you have those rights?
Sir.
You also understand, Mr. Flota, that you do not have to give up those rights.
Yes, sir.
All right, but if you want to give them up, you can, and you do it by filling out this paperwork for me called the Defendant's Waiver of Constitutional Rights and Court Admonitions. Mr. Flota, did you go over this paperwork with your lawyer before you signed it?
Yes, sir, I did.
Do you understand what's in these documents?
Yes, sir.
Great, because these documents tell me, Mr. Flota, that you do understand what you're charged with, you understand the range of punishment, and then you further understand you have all of those trial rights that we just talked about, but you're telling me that you want to give up those rights or waive them so you can enter into an agreement with the state of Texas on this case. Mr. Flota, is that what you want to do?
Yes, sir.
Great, then I will approve your waivers and have them filed with the papers in this cause. Mr. Flota, evidently you have a plea bargain in this case. First thing you need to understand, sir, is I don't have to go along with your agreement.
Yes.
However, if I don't go along with your agreement for any reason, I will allow you to withdraw your plea and start all over again. So anything that you say in the next few minutes will not be held against you if that happens. Do you understand, sir?
Sir.
All right, Mr. Flota, do me a favor, sir. Listen up. State's going to tell us what the plea bargain is. Let's make sure it is what you agreed to. Go ahead, State.
The agreement is for a $0 fine, court costs, 199 days in the Bexar County Jail, credit for time served, money and time to run concurrent, and the state asks that the judgment be satisfied.
Mr. Cabanas, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
Mr. Flota, is that what you agreed to, sir?
Sir.
All right, Alfonso, does Mr. Flota have a rational as well as factual understanding of the charge and the proceedings against him?
He does, Your Honor.
Has he been able to assist you in the preparation of any possible defenses?
Yes, Your Honor, he did.
In your opinion, is he legally competent to waive his rights and enter into this plea?
I believe he is.
All right, Mr. Armando Flota, are you a citizen of the United States of America?
Yes, sir, I am.
Please tell me how you plead in the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury. Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest, Your Honor.
Mr. Flota, you understand, sir? I can still find you guilty based upon that plea.
Yes, sir.
Has anybody forced you, threatened you, put you in fear, or promised you anything to make you plead, sir?
No, sir.
Doing so freely and voluntarily.
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Flota. I will accept your plea of no contest. Upon that plea, I find you guilty of the Class A misdemeanor offense of assault causing bodily injury. I assess punishment at zero fine, the cost of court, 199 days in the Bexar County Jail. The cost of court and the time will run concurrent. I will give you credit for time served, Mr. Flota, which means your judgment is satisfied by the time you've already served. Mr. Flota, this was a plea bargain. You do not have a right to appeal.
Yes, sir.
Flota, do you have any questions, sir?
Don't, sir. Have a good day.
Hey, thanks for that. You take care of yourself, all right? Stay well.
Thank you, Judge. Good to see you.
Good
Thanks,
to see
Terry.
you, brother. All right, let me get back off of YouTube, Terry.